Welcome to SakshiEducation.com. So we are just discussing the sports current affairs from 1st September to 15th of September 2018. So coming to sports, the government has approved India's Kho team to participate in first international Kho championship, which is to be held in England from 1st to 4th September 2018. So the government of India under Ministry of Youth and Sports Affairs, Rajyavardhan Singh Rathod has approved the participation of Indian Kho team in first international Kho championship. So this will be great news for India, and also the very next India to participate, that is Kho team to participate in Asian Games as well as Commonwealth Games. Swimmer Rikako Aiki of Japan. So Japan's swimmer Rikako Aiki has named the first female most valuable player of South Asian Games, that is Asian Games by Olympic Committee of Asian region. So that is the OCA has named this Rikako Aiki as most valuable player of 18th Asian Games. So recently this Asian Games was held in Jakarta of Indonesia. Next, so 2018 IBA Youth World Championship was held in Budapest of Hungary. So this IBA, that is Association of International Boxing attire, that is nothing but International Boxing Association in another name. So was held in Budapest of Hungary. So India also took part in this event and has won 2 gold, that is Neetu Rai in women's 45 to 48 kg category and Miss Sakshi Malik with women's feather 54 to 57 kg category has won gold in International Boxing Association 2018 Championship of Hungary. So this is a great news for India. And Mann Kaur, so India's 1 or 2 year old female athlete wins gold at World Masters Athletics Championship. So World Masters Athletics Championship, so this was held in Malaga of Spain. So India's oldest woman female, that is woman athlete, 1 or 2 years female athlete, Mann Kaur has took part as well as won gold for India, and she hails from Patiala of Punjab, and this will be a greatest news for India. So under science and technology, so ISRO unveils the space suit crew model for Gaganyaan mission 2022. So for as per the Prime Minister's speech on 15th of August 2018, that is Independence speech, so Prime Minister has promised the nation that so India will achieve the space mission to space, nothing but the first Indian to space by 2022, and ISRO has unveiled the space suit following. So and it is also being showcased at Bengaluru Expo for the first time, and this space suit is being developed by Vikram Sarabhai Space Center in Thiruvananthapuram. So by using the oxygen cylinders, that is 1 oxygen cylinders, the these astronauts will fly in space, following, and this space suit will accommodate the astronaut for nearly 60 minutes in the space. As well as the ISRO has announced that so India's mission to space will be achieved in collaboration with France. So India and France are jointly working to achieve the India's mission to space by 2022. So this is very important for examination point of view, because already we have Mangalyaan achievement and we have Chandrayaan achievement, and now we are going to achieve the Gaganyaan. So, man to space, that is Indian to space. So, remember Yuri Gagarin from Russia is the first person, okay, following. So, to achieve this event, that is man to space. So, coming to these books and authors, so Prime Minister Narendra Modi has released a book named as Moving On and Moving Forward, a Year in Office. So, the Moving On and Moving Forward, a Year in Office is the book being penned, that is written by M. Venkaiah Naidu, the Vice President of India, and this book is being published, okay, and it is already being released on 2nd of September 2018 in the hands of Prime Minister Narendra Modi. So, such kind of questions will be asked in the examination, okay. So, because the important personalities whoever pens the book, or important authors who pens the book, or the important topics on women empowerment, on child labor, on pollution, etc., on international relations, or on poverty, unemployment, such kind of important topics. If anyone okay, writes a book on these important topics, okay, or else if there is an award winning for that book, this will be highlighted in the examination. Why? Because you see, for books and authors, nearly 50 to 100 books hits the markets and every month. So, in such case, so you have nearly thousands of books to be read for the year. So, you must remember that whether it is written by an important personality or by an important author. So, already an author like Chetan Bhagat, Arvind Adiga, like that, okay, following, or else whether it is having an award winning or an important topic. So, these are the very important things you must remember, okay, while reading, okay, for books and authors. So, Moving On, Moving Forward, a Year in Office is the book written by M. Venkaiah Naidu. So, therefore, so this question may be asked in the examination because it is also being released by Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Next, another book, that is Experimental Learning, Gandhiji's Nayi Talim. So, this is the name of the book, okay. So, Experimental Learning, Gandhiji's Nayi Talim. So, this book is being released by Human Resource Development Minister Prakash Javadekar on the occasion of National Teachers Day, that is on September 5th, 2018. So, another book here is Constitutionalizing India, an Ideological Project. So, this is the book authored by Vidyut Chakravarti, okay, and it is being released by Vice President of India M. Venkaiah Naidu in New Delhi. So, another book is The Rule Breakers. So, The Rule Breakers is the book being penned by Preeti Shenoy. So, Miss Preeti Shenoy is well known for writing books on women empowerments, and also she is also a woman who is being nominated for Forbes magazine. So, therefore, Preeti Shenoy's books are also important. So, her new book is Rule Breakers, okay, with the theme Women's Equality, Gender and Inclusion, etc. So, it is being also, this is also important, this is also being published by Westland Books. And Union Agriculture Minister Radha Mohan Singh has released a book, okay, following on behalf of the ministry regarding agriculture, named as NCDC Assisting Cooperative Always. So, NCDC Assisting Cooperative Always is a new book, okay, released by Union Agriculture Minister Radha Mohan Singh in New Delhi. So, these are the books and authors which are being important for examination point of view. And now we will discuss about the important days which are in news and what are the new days being observed. So, National Nutrition Week. So, the government of India, so that is nothing but Niti Aayog, National Institute for Transforming India, so has observed 1st to 7th of September 2018 as National Nutrition Week. to promote the nutritional importance in intake of calories in Indian citizens with the theme Go Further with Food. Go Further with Food is the theme of National Nutritional Week. Next, on 5th of September, National Teachers Day is being observed in India. So, to commemorate the birth anniversary of first Vice President of India, Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. So, he is known as a teacher, better known as a teacher and philosopher. Okay, so, the teacher who turned as politician and finally became the Vice President of India. So, to commemorate all the teachers in the nation and in the international levels. Okay, so, on his birth anniversary, we are celebrating the National Teachers Day. And as well as on September 5th, International Day of Charity is also being observed all over the world by UNGA, United Nations General Assembly observes September 5th as the International Day of Charity. So, charity is very important in the world to help the needy people. So, it is the death anniversary of Mother Teresa on 5th of September. So, to commemorate her death anniversary, the International Day of Charity is being observed by UNO. And on 8th of September, World Literacy Day is being observed. So, this is the 52nd World Literacy Day. Okay, so, it is observed from 1996 by UNESCO, United Nations Education for Scientific and Cultural Organization. On 12th of September, International Day for South-South Cooperation is observed. Okay, so, this is the 40th anniversary to mark the adoption of Buenos Aires Plan of Action for South-South Cooperation. And finally, on 14th of September, Hindi Divas is being observed across India. So, Hindi Divas. So, recently remember, so this International Hindi Conference, World Hindi Conference was being organized in Madagascar, okay, which is being participated by even Ministry of External Affairs to promote Hindi worldwide. So, these are the important news and events which falls from 1st to 15th of September 2018. So, friends, so hope you get a brief ideology. So, not complete ideology we can provide here. Okay, so, in this episode we will just giving you the highlights of the events which has took place for these 15 days. So, please go ahead, okay, so and try to expand this, so elaborate this and have a good knowledge. So, let the knowledge come from all sides. So, have a good day. So, remember, so SakshiEducation.com helps you to achieve more number of marks with accurate knowledge with these episodes. Thank you.